are you looking at me like that?
Well, gusto ko lang talagang malaman kung ano ang tunay na rason kung bakit nag-resign sa trabaho si Sabrina.
Yeah, but why ask now? Like, what does that have to do with anything?
Gusto ko lang kasi talagang malaman kung naging maayos ba yung parting of ways niyo. Kasi kahit na ayoko na pinagbibintangan ka ni Ate Lilet, she's right about one thing. Sabrina did look upset and scared when she saw you. So tell me, babe, bakit ganun na lang yung reaction ni Sabrina sa'yo? May tinatago ka ba sa akin? May kailangan ba akong malaman?